The jack, lug wrench, and wheel wedges are located in a recessed compartment under the trunk floor mat. Lift the mat, secured by fasteners, to access the tools. Familiarize yourself with these tools before needing them in an emergency. The jack is designed for temporary use only, for designated points on the frame under the front or rear doors. If you have a flat tire and your RAV4 lacks a spare, the repair kit is your first option. Start by parking on a flat, level surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly to secure the vehicle. Chock the wheels on the opposite side of the flat tire to prevent rolling. Place the chock blocks behind the wheels and ensure they are centered for stability. Use the repair kit's sealant and compressor to inflate the tire. Follow the instructions on the kit carefully. Connect the compressor hose to the tire valve and inject the sealant while monitoring the pressure. Many repair kits feature Bluetooth connectivity to smartphone diagnostic apps, allowing you to monitor the process remotely and receive alerts. Drive cautiously to a service center for professional inspection. Repair kits in 2019-2024 Toyota RAV4 models are only effective for punctures smaller than 1/4 inch located on the tire tread area. Larger punctures or damage to the sidewall cannot be repaired with the kit. Sidewall damage, such as cuts or large gashes, cannot be fixed with the repair kit and requires professional towing to a service center. The sealant is designed only for small tread punctures. The repair kit provides only a temporary solution. The sealant can degrade over time, and the tire should be inspected and likely replaced by a professional as soon as possible after using the kit. After using the repair kit, do not drive faster than 50 miles per hour and replace the tire at a service center within 100 miles or as soon as possible to ensure safety. If you have a spare tire available in your RAV4, you'll need to use the jack to lift the vehicle. Start by locating the jacking points along the vehicle's frame, typically near the front and rear wheels. Position the jack securely under the designated jack point on the vehicle's frame. Make sure it's stable before lifting. Only use the jack on solid, level ground to ensure stability during the lifting process. Never crawl under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use additional support, like safety stands, if you need to work underneath. First, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire before jacking up the vehicle, but do not remove them completely. Jack up the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Mount the spare tire. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle and fully tighten the lug nuts with the lug wrench. Safety is the most important aspect when dealing with a flat tire. Always prioritize your well-being and follow these key tips. Use wheel chocks to secure the vehicle and prevent any movement while working. Never place any part of your body under the vehicle when it's supported only by the jack. This prevents serious injury. After using the repair kit or installing a spare, have the tire professionally inspected and replaced as soon as possible. Also, keep your spare tire properly inflated to ensure it's ready when needed. The trend in modern vehicles is moving away from spare tires towards repair kits and run-flat tires. Some future RAV4 models may integrate AI-assisted repair systems. While convenient, remember that repair kits have limitations. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for your RAV4 model. Checking recall status via Toyota's app is recommended.